This is the apocalypse. Oh, shit. They creep me out. You just see a face. Up against the glass. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh wait. Shit! Our tree!
You're...
What? Our tree!
Oh!
Dang!
It hit your car! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It hit my car!
Oh, their car! I got that all on film!
Oh.
I got that all on film!
Oh my god!
What happened?
Their car got crushed!
Oh my
Ooh.
gosh!
Film
Look,
trees,
there.
it's yours.
Look at trees. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Your back got it.
all thanks to the tree.
It didn't go down.
You're lucky, Aaron. Your car.
I called it. That stump is staying there.
Your car bounced though. Your car freaking.
The back is completely destroyed, John.
What back?
The
The back of your car. At least it's not the whole. Her car just got crushed. Let's get away from
Oh
the
shit!
window.
There's a fire.
There's a fire, Dad. There's a fire at the
What
end
the
of
fuck is he gonna do?
Oh my
There
god.
ain't nothing I can do about that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, get away from the trees.
I got that all on film, you guys.
Oh
I swear to God.
my gosh.
Oh my god.
I hate to be that guy, but show me the video.
Oh my god.
Crap.